If you're interested in owning a home in Metro Atlanta, call Bob Hill Realty today. They've got a new no money down program, and all you need is a 600 or higher credit score to qualify.
Let's tour this luxury home brought to you by Bob Hale Realty. This home is truly the definition of luxury.
Thank you for touring this luxury home brought to you by Bob Hale Realty. Please subscribe to see more upcoming luxury home tours.
Thanks for tuning in to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel and Bob Hill Realty.